Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool umbrella here, and pretty much what this is a charging station. If you can see, for the one that we got right here from this brand, and for this product, it does give you guys 65 watts when you guys use a USB-C option. And right here is the name of the product. So the cool thing about this product is the fact that not only does it give you guys 2 USB-C option and 2 USB option, but it gives you guys 3 AC option as well. And supposedly for this charging station, it does have the GaN technology built in, so that we can give you guys a fast charging speed and a safe charging speed, and give you guys all the protection built in terms of overcharge protection, over voltage protection, short circuit protection, and the list goes on. So this is what the package looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys open up, here's what the inside looks like. Let's take it out. So first thing inside, they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. And then right here we do have the product. So you see for the cable is pretty long. They mention how it's 6 feet long. For the cable, they do give you guys a strap to actually organize your cable. And for the plug right here, it's a 3-prong, so it's grounded. On the back part of the product, if you see right here, we do have a switch for you guys to turn it on and turn it off. On the bottom of the product, they do have the non-slip material to prevent it from moving around when you guys do use it. And also on the bottom, they do provide the specs of the input and output when you guys do use it. On the front part right here, we do have the brand name. And here we do have the USB-C option and the USB option. And when you guys look at the top part, the side, and the other side, those are the 3 different AC options that are provided for you guys on here when you guys do use it. So you do have the option to plug in all 7 devices at the same time if you guys do want to, which is really cool. And if you guys notice, the size of the product is not that big, especially for a charging station. Usually for most charging stations, it's so much bigger. But the reason why it's so much smaller is because it does have the GaN technology built in. And also when you guys view the product, it doesn't feel too heavy. It's actually pretty lightweight. But it's definitely very small and portable for you guys to bring along when you guys are traveling if you guys do want to. But that is everything that's on the product. Now let's plug it in to test it out to show you guys when it actually works. So let's untangle it first. And I want to plug the side in. Once you guys do plug it in, you can see right here we have an indicator light to show you guys that's ready to use, and it is on. If you guys do turn off in the back, you can see the light start to turn off. So that is how you guys know when it's on or off. Let's turn it back on and test it out. So right here I do have a MacBook Pro 16-inch, and I have it connected to my tester. And we are using USB-C to USB-C cable. So let's do plug it in. And you see right here they do provide numbers in terms of the power that's being generated. So if you guys do calculate it, that is how much power that's being generated onto the laptop. So if you use the product, it definitely gives you guys that max 65 watts when you guys are using it. And that is only when you guys plug in one device at a time. If you guys do plug in more than one, let's see what happens. So right here I do have my USB-C to lightning cable. If you guys do plug it in, and this side will plug it onto the phone. And you see it does work. And when you guys look at the number for the power that's on here, it went down a little bit. So I'm actually calculating it and show you guys what the difference is. Once we do plug in the second outlet, which is our phone, here is the new power that's being generated onto the laptop. So it went down from 65 watts to 44 watts. So I'm assuming the remainder 20 watts is being charged on my phone. If you guys want to use the other 2 outlets on here as well for 2 USB option, it will spread the 65 watts throughout all 4 of them. So let's try to plug in one more USB option to see what happens for the other output when you guys use it. So let's do plug in the USB cable. And other side will plug in onto a power bank. So once you guys plug it in, you can see it does work. And when you guys look at the new number, it definitely went down a little bit. So if you guys calculate the new number, here is the new number that's being generated onto the laptop, which is around 28 or 29 watts. So as you guys plug more and more devices, the power will be spread out between all 4 of them. Now I'm actually unplug it and try the AC option and see what happens. So let's do plug it in. Once you guys do plug it in, you can see it does work. And when you guys look at the number now, it went back up a little bit. So I guess when you guys plug in the AC option, it does not affect this option right here. Because right now it's charging the laptop around 44 watts, just like before we actually plugged in the third one. So the product does work, and it gives you guys the speed that I mentioned, which is really nice. So whether if you guys want to plug in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7 devices at the same time, you do have the option available. But if you guys do use a USB option or USB-C option, it only provides you guys a 65 watts for one device at a time to give you guys a max speed. Otherwise, it's spread between all 4 of them. So that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not to work it on. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality charging station that give you guys the GaN technology, the USB-C option, the USB option, and also the AC option as well, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, obviously don't buy one. and save your money something else actually tuning. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.